One of the weirder tricks in Mcat that a lot of students don't think about, but that actually really helps with test day performance, is passage momentum. Basically, how you do in one passage, unfortunately, has an effect on how you do the other ones. We all know the feeling of doing really good on a passage and then getting to a passage we're not so confident about and then losing what we call that momentum or that feeling of being competent and well prepared for the test. That can then bleed into the next passage and the next one. And unless we get our feet back, it's going to be difficult to keep going through the test without making unnecessary mistakes or doubting ourselves. But here's the thing, students need to know that test taking and passage momentum can be independent of your performance. Remember, the questions and the passages on the MCAT aren't in order. This means that just like you can get two easy questions in a row, you can also get two hard questions in a row. In this situation, just because you got the question wrong doesn't mean you're bad at the exam. And just because you got several questions wrong, let's say hard, and medium in a row, and for some reason you managed to struggle with all of them, it doesn't mean you're bad at the exam. Remember, the exam is set up to make you think that you're unable to do it. So when you're faced with situations, difficult passages or difficult questions, and you feel like your passage momentum or your belief in yourself and your ability to do the exam is fading, remember to reset. Every passage is a new opportunity, and every question is a new opportunity to get some points. Don't let the negative feelings from your previous experiences throughout test day carry over. And that goes from section to section as well. If you had a really rough cars, make sure you reset in time for bio. If you want more methods and tips and tricks like this to help manage your anxiety on test day and give yourself some strategy, feel free to check out the rest of our material. If you like this content, visit us at mcatsavior.com for more tips and tricks and to get all of our strategy courses for free.